lifestyle choices can reverse most chronic diseases. That's the belief behind the Ekahi Health programs. Robert Walker, Program Director of Ekahi Health, joins us with more details. And Tim Flores, a graduate of one of the programs, is here to talk about how it's helped him. Good morning and welcome, gentlemen.
Good morning.
Now, Robert, first of all, talk more about the programs that Ekahi Health offers.
Sure. So at Ekahi Health, we take a team-based approach, really to get the right resources to you at the right time to be able to improve chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes, or even reverse those conditions.
And when you say simple lifestyle choices, can you give us one example?
So one of the things that we center on is nutrition. So simply changing some of the animal-based protein to a plant-based protein, or adopting more of a plant-based whole food approach to diet actually can help tremendously.
Now, Tim, you're a recent graduate of one of the programs. Can you tell us more about your story and your journey?
Absolutely. Well, it started back in November, and I was working in the yard, got burning in the chest, and then I relax, it'd go away, I exert myself again, more burning. I said, something's not right. I ended up going to the hospital. They did an angioplasty, and they found that the left side of my heart was only at 50% capacity, 2 blocked arteries. So they put in a couple of stents, and my wife had heard about the program on the radio, and she says, call them. And I went to my doctor, got my referral, and I went there, and the rest is history.
And how has it improved your health? What are your numbers like today?
Boy, first off, let's see, I'm about 18.5 pounds lower.
Congratulations.
Thanks. 2.5 inches here, 2 inches here. I'm fitting into clothes that I haven't fit into in about a year. My blood pressure is down by about 20 on each side. My cholesterol is reduced dramatically, and my A1C is coming down slowly. It's not right where I want to be, but it's getting there.
It's getting there. And how does it make you feel overall?
So much energy, so much better. I just feel great. That's what it's done for me.
And what about maintaining this type of lifestyle?
Wow.
Has it been hard, challenging?
Not at all. Actually, I started the plant-based diet on Christmas Day. Resolved myself to saying, hey, this is what I'm going to do, and that's what I'm continuing to do. What makes it so easy for me to stay on this lifestyle is my wife. She's a great cook. She does everything from scratch. She makes sure I get my meals right. She goes out and looks for the things to maintain a low-fat, low-sugar, low-salt diet for me, and does a great job at it.
You got a good wife, Tim. Now, Robert.
I've been blessed.
You have been. Now, Robert, if anyone watching wants to join one of the programs, what do they need to know about joining?
So to join the Ekahi Diabetes Program or the Ekahi Orange Program, you can give us a call at 777-4000. That's 3 7s, 4000. Or go to ekahihealth.com and check us out there.
Okay, we have much more information also on our website, KHON2.com. Tim, congratulations and good luck on more success.
Thank you.
All right, thanks, Robert. Nice seeing you again. We'll be right back after this. Stick around.